Candle is on and warming. I've loved to add this to my morning routine lately. Just makes me feel good. So I just finished doing my hair with that blow dryer thing that my sister got me for Christmas. That's why I'm sitting in front of the mirror. But we took my Christmas decorations down. And then this is what I have on the shelf. It says, "It's not a home without a golden doodle," but you can barely see that. And then I have this sign, that sign that says, "Friends are God's way of talking to us." And then I have 3 battery operated candles that I believe I got from my nanny like forever ago. They've just always been there, so I've had them, but that's the very plain shelf for now. I do have Valentine's Day decorations, but I'm obviously not gonna put those up yet. So it is 12:33, and I just got done with my telehealth therapy appointment, and it went really good. And now I'm gonna have some lunch because my mom left me a little bag lunch because she went to my grandma's, and also she didn't want to interrupt me when she was leaving, so that's why the sound machine is still on. But I finished Girls of Firefly Lane, the book, last night that I was talking about. So I'm gonna open Netflix and I'm gonna launch my profile, and then I found out about this like my list feature that I guess just puts your I guess I never. Ooh, that's another good show that I forgot. Let's see. Girls. I don't know if is it a movie or a show? Wow, I'm like super far back. Let's put you down. Oh my goodness. Let's put you down. Let's see. RLS of is it? I searched it yesterday and or the other day, and I know we discussed it. Firefly Lane. Here, let's see. Lane. Firefly Lane. Oh, what the heck? Season 1 coming February 3rd. Okay, so let me watch the trailer. Okay, that's kind of a bummer. I don't know why it said that I don't know why I thought that it was coming tomorrow or today, or I don't know why I thought it would be on Netflix. Maybe because the book I read, it had like a Netflix symbol on the cover. But anyway, so I am going to finish watching. I'm going to eat my lunch, and I'm going to watch some YouTube videos. So I'll talk to you guys later.
We should just do it for 30 minutes, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that mess over there. What is that? Dog food? Where did that come from?
Wow! First time she went home by herself. Okay, so it's 1:50, and my mom wants me to run her for another 30 minutes, so. Okay, we'll see how this works. Let me sit over here. Love this thing. Right now it is 2:51 p.m. and I'm headed to go get my nails done. It is freezing, but I'm headed to go get my nails done with my Christmas gift card. Hey guys, it is 3:51 p.m. Hold on. It's actually 4:05 p.m. I'm done with my nails. I love them. I was actually in and out of there in 45 minutes, but my mom and I have been running some errands, so I was done by like 3:40 because my appointment was at 3. I love this. They're like I call them like my Frozen nails, like Frozen inspired nails. They have like a teal color and then a blue and then some glitter on top of this one. And now where are we headed?
Oh, James.
Home. Yeah.
You need some.
No. What time do you have to get the dogs?
5.
5. Okay. And then our 2 other dogs, Maddie and Sully, they're getting their haircuts today. Yeah. They're getting their haircuts today. But, so I love my nails, and I think you can see better on this hand, the glitter. Come on, focus. Yeah, you see like the glitter? They mixed 2 colors to get the blue. They actually mixed this teal color and like a lighter blue to get this blue. I don't know how they did it, but they did. I love it. Anyway, and then I got some exciting news, all my wheelchair peeps. You'll know how excited I am. I got a new chair on the 15th, but I haven't really been able to use it because it's been causing me pain. But they called me today and they said they had an opening between 12 and 2 tomorrow to come and fix it. And then that also means that I guess they're putting on the pads for the, they're putting on the pads for, yep, they're putting on the pads for the wheelchair as well. So I'm super excited because hopefully after tomorrow I can start using it. Hopefully, I don't know, I'm praying very hard that I can use it, because that's the whole point of getting a new chair, is to use it. So yeah, that is my day. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.